I'm Antoine Rickard, owner and founder of Homes Across the Globe. Yes, that funny looking guy on the right, it's me. And today, I'm going to make you an offer that you can't refuse. Not really. You can refuse it if you want. However, if wanting to learn how to invest in real estate is your objective, then I highly recommend that you don't refuse. You'll only receive this offer from Homes Across the Globe, so stay tuned. Other than buying, selling, renting, and investing, we also teach others how to invest in real estate. Introducing Wholesaling, Phase 1. The fastest and easiest way to make money in real estate. But what is real estate investing? Most have asked before realizing it's one of the best niches in today's top job requests. I'm supposed to tell you about the blah blah blahs, but for now, we'll keep it simple. Real estate investing is to purchase property with the intentions of earning income through rental income or a resale. So what is wholesaling real estate? Their following question. Well, a wholesaler is an individual that acquires a contract from the seller of the property and assigns that same contract to an end buyer, thus keeping the price cheap and competitive, yet still allowing the wholesaler to make a profit after selling the property through contract. In order to do so, you have to have the right tools. There are 7 critical tools needed to be successful when wholesaling in real estate. Number 1, contracts. Our company provides you with all the legal bound contracts, from purchasing real estate to selling it. Number 2, motivated seller leads. A motivated seller is a property owner who is willing by any reason to sell their unwanted property. Number 3, cash buyer leads. A cash buyer is someone with cash on hand, ready to purchase property. Also, they typically don't need a bank to finance their investment projects. Number 4, marketing tools. Short HD videos to show who you are and your position with the company. A business email address, business phone number, a landing lead capture page, posting ads, with a posting schedule to post them. Knowing the time of day when most of the entire world is online is important. Number 5, assessment forms. Gain access to only the important questions to ask your customers will save you time through the process. Number 6, negotiation techniques. Talking and negotiating, as we know, are not the same. Or do we know? Knowing how and what to negotiate is important when trying to make a deal happen in your favor. Last but not least, number 7, a step-by-step process to follow. It gives you a sense of confidence and your customer a feel of comfort when you're able to guide them through fixing their real estate problems. Most companies, in case you are wondering, yes, I'm about to reveal to you our competition's very secret, teaches you only a 5-step process, in which a 5-step process is not how it fully works. It includes finding a motivated seller, get a contract, find a cash buyer, get a contract, then close. Sounds simple enough, right? The problem is there are more steps that are not revealed to you. Even the order in which they tell you to perform this method is incorrect. Trust me, before I started this company, maybe like yourself, I've been to lots of seminars. Those 5 steps are all I heard, over and over and over and over, and, well, you get the point. Here at HAG, we give you all the individual steps it actually takes to make buying and selling real property 1,000% easier, allowing anyone to be able to do it. This is our actual step-by-step process. Blur it for the purpose of this video, of course. In time, learning the HAG method, surely you can limit some steps. However, try boiling it down to just 5 steps. Can you see that happening? Me either. Following these steps will potentially allow you to make $2,500 with just one deal, $5,700 with 1 to 2 deals. You can even make up to $10,600 plus with 2 to 3 deals per month in earnings. Now remember, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a put in only 25% of the work and make great money opportunity. Here at HAG, we follow a pay scale. Your starting pay as a student investor is 3% of our secondary closing profit. I'll explain that more here in a bit. At this point, keeping your already existing job is not a bad idea, unless you are performing 1 to 2 deals per month. Following our process through your modules, you'll be doing that in just days. For every milestone set to determine pending your performance. An increase of 3% every 6 months, reaching your top pay at 9%, will be added to your pay rate, allowing you to climb that pay scale faster than any competing company can show you how. Here's why even real estate agents are jumping ship. More today are on board with investing rather than traditional real estate. We have several positions here at HAG. You can choose to begin with either as a buyer or seller investor, which is where everyone will begin. After finishing the buying modules, you can decide to make more money by adding the seller investor modules right after, or vice versa. We also have deal strategist, recruiter, instructor, and management, in which you will be promoted due to your performance. Now, to explain to you the understanding of secondary closing profit. Let's say our spread profit for buying and selling a property is $40,000, which, depending on our strategy, is very typical. The spread profit is known as the first closing profit, minus the 9% for the manager's pay, equals $36,400, known as the second closing profit. We take the second closing profit and multiply your top pay at 9%, equals $3,267 you'll make for just 30 minutes or less of your time for following the process we provide and entering the information needed based on the steps we also provide. Minus the deal strategist 3%, the district manager's 3%, and the regional manager's 3%, leaves us $30,239.59, known as a total spread profit. We believe in being transparent with everyone. Yes, that includes you. Curious to know what happens to all the rest of the money? We aren't like most companies, where we sit around and collect a check off your 25% of hard work. Just like you, we have work to be done as well. We immediately take the total spread profit and use it to purchase more properties that you have under contract, allowing you to make that $2,500 to $10,600 plus per month a whole lot easier, keeping you making the money. We want more properties. You want more money. Everybody wins. It takes only days to learn this process. Spend only days making this amount of money because you've learned it. Now I know what you're thinking. How much is this program going to cost you, right? Pay not $3,700. Pay not $2,500. Pay not even $1,500. But $1,000 off. If you're thinking this is too good to be true, stop thinking and consider this. Since 2005 till 2019, in the United States alone, has not sold under 1 million properties per year. In 2019, our very own seller and buyer investors is what you're going to become soon, claiming 286,000 properties of that 5.34 million. That's about 3 properties per month per person, accumulating over $3.8 million in sales. Are you saying you don't want your piece of the pie? Hence the reason we have dropped the price tremendously, making it affordable for anyone, so that we can teach you how to invest in real estate, doing exactly what our other students are already doing. We want you to become successful, even at your own pace. That's why we're going to give you the 7 critical tools needed to be successful, which includes contracts, the motivated seller leads, the cash buyer leads, your marketing tools, the assessment forms, the negotiation techniques, and our very own proven step-by-step process. A $3,700 value, all for 100% free. That's right, you heard me. Just for becoming an HAG investor. Consider it our free family gift to you. Pay only an easy one-time processing fee of $295.99. That's 92% off the competitor's original price. Still thinking this is too good to be true? What if I told you that if you act now, we're going to give you a lifetime access to our program? No hidden, no monthly fees, all for the same price of $295.99. But wait, yep, you guessed it, there is more. We're going to give you the chance to make your money back through our Earn While You Learn program that you'll gain access to as soon as you join. Following the easy 3-step process, making $200 per property that you present and we purchase. That's like getting a processing fee for free. Okay, yes, I'll admit, this is too good to pass up. Alright, so we're going to give you the 7 critical tools, the Earn While You Learn program, the lifetime access, and we're going to throw in an additional process to follow for a referral pay from our incentive program that you'll also access once you've joined, making $50 per person that signs up with your referral code, allowing you to make even more money. leaving you to climb that financial ladder even faster. We want you to understand that we aren't here to sell you our program. We're here to offer you an opportunity. That scratch our back will make you more money type of opportunity. For a limited time offer, just kidding. This offer, our offer, is only $295.99. Join now and help us defeat the competition so that we can always charge this low price for a program like this. Click or copy and paste the link and join our rapidly growing investor family. Your investor family is waiting for you. Turns out if real estate investing isn't for you, you sure can use these methods and strategies we're going to teach you to reach your own personal goals. Rather save up for college, buy tools and materials for your own business, pay bills a lot easier because you'll have more money, a much desired or needed vacation just for you or with your family. Having money, as you know, the possibilities are endless. Only with homes across the globe will you perform just 25% of the work to invest in real estate. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Take charge and take back your financial freedom. Team up with us and we'll show you how.